Hello everybody, we're here in Brandywine Bay and we're doing a driveway resurfacing project. We've been here about a week doing the prep, so come with me and I'll walk you through the steps that we've already completed and what we're continuing to do today. Okay, so this is one of about 7 different areas on the driveway where the substrate was damaged. We removed some of the concrete pavers and the damaged concrete. We reinforced it with 1/2-inch steel rebar and put in some high-strength concrete to repair these different areas throughout the driveway. Alright, so here we're removing the thin set from the slate tile that was previously on top of this concrete paver driveway. We're just getting rid of all the thin set so that we can install the rubber coating. Morning guys, so we're here at Brandywine. It's the first day of installing the recycled rubber coating. So far so good. And we're doing the brown beige black mixture. We have the mixing station set up over there. We have 4 guys troweling. And this is our primer here. So yeah, we're hoping to get at least 2,000 square feet done on the first day, but we started a bit late, praying for no rain.
I started this concrete company 5 years ago, and when we began, I had one goal in mind: to relieve people of their hardships by bringing joy to their lives in order to assist them in becoming fulfilled through unique alternatives to tiles, hardwood, and carpet. Over the 5 years, we have worked extremely hard to listen to all our clients, and we are very proud of the feedback we have received. We attribute our success to some very practical but important values that we focus on when continuing to hone our craft within the concrete industry. No shortcuts during preparation has been crucially important, because without good prep, no product, no matter how perfectly manufactured, will not perform as intended. Secondly, continuous training by industry professionals, because if we're not continuing to educate ourselves, we should not be trusted by our clients. And lastly, providing value in the form of our services to commercial and residential clients that work in the harsh Caribbean environments. Tried and true, strong, resilient, and especially elegant in design. We have spent 5 years developing and testing services on a wide range of properties which we feel are best suited for our clients. We will continue to innovate and introduce these products and services throughout the BVI to provide a template for the rest of the Caribbean region, to continue our journey and achieve our future goals internationally. We have made mistakes along the way, and we have also had hundreds of success stories. And most importantly, we have continued to put our best foot forward each and every day. This recycled rubber coating on this cracking concrete driveway is a testament to our dedication and hard work to follow our passion of bringing joy to people's lives. So if you are a business owner or a homeowner in the BVI and you're tired of solutions that don't get the job done, just know that somebody is out there working very hard to find an alternative concrete solution for you.